For our premium users of the Dr. Trust app, the Discover button on the bottom menu gives them access to a trove of health and nutrition information. Within the Read section, users can choose to browse through a constantly updated list of hundreds of articles regarding health, nutrition, and wellness, each presented to the user with its title, description, and read time. Clicking on one of the article items opens it in a reader-friendly mode, where the user can scroll through the entire article, allowing them to learn from its contents and illustrations and discover more about their well-being. The user can also choose to submit feedback about the article by tapping the thumbs up icon at the top of the article, which would make it easier to receive recommendations to other similar or relevant content. The user can also share the article through any social media, messaging, email apps, etc. by using the provided share button from within the article itself or from the list in the previous screen. The Fitness section houses a frequently updated list of videos that can help improve and maintain fitness and overall wellness. The user can browse through them by scrolling through the list of available videos presented to the user with its title, description, and viewing time. Choosing one of the items opens the video player where the user can start viewing the content. You can use the seek bar below to jump to any position within the video at any time. Again, the user can choose to share these videos from the provided list. Similarly, the Mindfulness section contains a frequently updated list of several audio excerpts that will nourish one's physical and mental well-being. The user can look at each item's title, description, and recording time and choose to listen to them. Selecting an item from this list opens the audio player, and the user can then listen to the selection. Again, the user can use the seek bar below to jump to any position within the recording at any time. Finally, the user can choose to share these items from the list as well.